Well, dear children, I have some good news. It's finished, well, not completely finished yet. It's not 100%, but it's coming along very well. The Exoster Exoskeletoncar. Wonderful seats, seat belts, power distributor, sponsors happy, mega wing, 2-meter long. Well, I used up 36 meters of pipe just at the beginning, so I'll finish it like this because unfortunately I ran out of pipe. And right now it's Saturday, 10 o'clock, so I'm about to pack up and head to Kevin. But let's not forget that there wasn't too much time for this project. It's lowered a bit, 1.5 rounds, 1 round. I think it turned out really nice and flashy. Steering angle is 0, that is 0, so the steering angle is factory. Well, we'll see how this steed will perform. But I admit I was such a lazy pig that I didn't record any videos about making this during Christmas, about the process of making it. Manx and other commitments couldn't be here either, so, well, it was Christmas. That's how Christmas is, guys. If you have to push through, let's check out the test. See you there. Just the Mo2, that's all I need. Here we are, right? At Kevin's place. The masterpiece was finished at the little end of year party. Chomu? Right, that's his name. Well, later, when, just wait. Yeah, because it's not finished yet since we ran out of pipe. And yeah, both the pipe and the time ran out. Not the gas. That was resolved, but I want to thank Buktadani. (196.5 centimeters), the sun rose to this point on the unprepared day. The only point here is Holosolti to pay attention when you go out, because it might be him who will go out with you.
Naturally, I resist the soldiers. You have to be careful with this.
If you still hear the DSC, turn it off. Yeah, okay. Good afternoon. Do you know what lures it in? I don't know, into this? This is what the steering is like. It doesn't steer back on its own, and you have to help it. That's why I spun out, but now that I'm used to it, it's much better. Why the spoiler? It's an unnecessarily big number, but I really like it. It's fucking awesome, isn't it?
Well, that's what he asked for. Actually, that's exactly what he wanted. Without it, the shape would have been kind of lame. That's what he wanted. First impressions.
One of the steering angles isn't here. Let's just leave it. That was obvious.
Yes.
That's really missing. By the way, it doesn't handle badly. You just have to get used to the steering, this kind of electric steering. You have to fiddle with it a bit.
And now with slick, well...
Let's check it out now. Fucking awesome.
Well, you know...
This is varied. Jajo comes from different columns, so it can cause problems.
Yeah, with you? Would you have thought so? We didn't think it would be this little either.
I guessed around 2003 minus 40 kilometers. Yeah, I'm telling you. It started from minus 80.
Yeah, that's very little. I don't know if you feel it. Clutch. Gas, everything like that.
Slick, then it gives you everything. Thank you very much to Kuplung for participating today.
With the small tires with the little spikes. Well then, go ahead, the track is yours.
Then right away I started thinking about upgrades. I need a little suspension upgrade. I need a little suspension upgrade. I need a little pipe upgrade. Well, I think another 3 days and we'll arrive.
I've set up 2 corners, so I won't slip before then.
Not bad, it's behaving well.
I feel the steering too, that you have to initiate it. What if we took this beast out and put it into the front end of a complete E46?
Then what about the 92?
The oil pan is starting behind it.
There's nothing wrong with it, by the way. It's interesting that this square one really looks better. I thought the round one would be cooler at first, but this one looks more modern, actually.
Yeah, it's just more modern, more modern.
The peripheral is newer.
For more similar content, follow me later. Alright then, if we find a clamp for that, I'll just pop it on and then we can tighten it like that.
Actually, a clamp, right?
Obviously. That's how I saw it.
And it hasn't cracked yet.
Yeah.
Good, now it's not visible anymore. There are 3 new spots, plenty of space.
Well, anyway, we need to make a control arm here. I just need to figure out which pivot point we're going to use. Because, you know, if I use this one and I don't touch this one,
Then we already have an angle. The question is, where does this fall?
so this one's mine and that one's yours on the ledge.
So I can see the movement.
Well, yeah. Well, are you spinning it? Yeah, it's interesting how it moves back and forth.
That's why it's like this. It changes the trail. Does it push it forward?
Yes.
Thanks.
For towing, the first option is good, but the axle's position relative to the pivot point matters.
That's what I wanted to ask. The main point is where this falls.
If I make a swing arm, it just jumps into the stable. We know that. Well, I'm saying, should I take it out? Then I need some GLI or silent block in the swing arm, and I'm afraid that here I'll probably need a strong pipe, so something like a 40 EMMA for my swing arm too.
There's not much space, by the way, as it turns, because now I was looking at the Z, you know.
And the whole thing is messed up because of the turret.
Yes.
I'm really into it because otherwise I wouldn't be thinking about it. I'd just put another chassis under it, but we can't do that. The thing is, what we should do is we need to have GL headlights. Definitely, and if we really need to, then let's make an upper control arm as well.
We should find out how this works.
It's fixed into the big aluminum block.
Well,
Actually, it's really best to immediately put the front of something else in it.
I'm almost 100% sure this is glued. If I start welding it, the glue will burn off.
Vile Sub doesn't have anything similar with this kind of suspension.
No, there really isn't.
But with the Supra, when you see it, yeah, but there they give you the stub too and everything.
Of course,
You could make your own brain out of an iron plate. Mackie, here's the plasma cutter. Let me check. About this big...
we can also buy 15 gauge boiler plates from me. I'm making a control arm too.
the partially assisted design. Because then we already model it to some extent. I don't know.
The front of this rod tube will be barely long on the modeling stick.
The designer, 3 million.
There are two options. One is to bend it a little here, make a break in it so it comes out a bit. Yes, the M1, yes.
Yes.
In fact, maybe we could make it a bit sportier from below here. Yes, and then I should fold it in from here like this,
It's like the headlight would go here. Does the car have a corner?
Yes, that's what's missing for me, but I'll take measurements of what I'm making right away. I'm able to bend it so it'll be right the first time. And you know, yes, that, and if I don't mark it, then I won't measure it.
Well then, yes, we won't know either.
Maybe it'll become a salty crescent roll. 35 centimeters, let's say 35.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes, yes.
Like that, and then there, just like that. Yeah, done.
We'll roll it there and keep folding it until it's good. We don't waste anything. That's a market economy, a consumer society. These are not funny things. Let's take a look. Now we'll pull a little out of this. Watch.
I wanted to say that it comes back, and it's good too. Does it still have that lady finger shape?
Yes, yes, and I really missed the thing. So it's really good that I put it this way because like this about. So it's more or less good and I'll need the wheel for it.
Well, that's really good.
One more important question. I would connect another one there so that it has the X. It would look better optically, right?
If there's an X up there, there should be one here too. Then we got a replacement machine. The old one was sold.
Before that, the question is whether to produce a few cars.
So can you weld with a Legends welder?
yes, yes.
What do we want with this? Should we stick it up? Should we spray it?
For black.
Everything Thor black, all the crap.
So let's blow everything to hell.
But this space is hardly beautiful.
Yeah.
Then maybe to the bottom left.
What are you doing? Where are you going then?
You'll write down the time slot like this. You'll write it down.
Then do it there, I think.
That it even hides for the case.
Who this voice is?
Who remembers it?
Oh my god, speak. Well, you can't let this die out even in the video age.
Who remembers it?
Get it up.
What is this biscuit?
And really, Geshe,
I'm really telling you, disc jockey gurgly.
Leave quickly, as the word suggests you left. Wait.
Pay attention to the comments, now.
I think...
It's following an auto-tuning path.
Uh-huh.
look guys, you can see from here there is some evolution. We've reached the point where now we're also working with iron. Wait. Gilly, wait.
This will catch.
But it restores that, but messes it up.
This is hard, but it screws up.
This is great. That's how it should have been.
Let's try on the miracle pants.
14 times 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5.
He won't get it back. We talked with Betsy that he'll never get it back.
Oh, well, yes.
It looks a bit different with this.
Spit on it. Sorry,
Or I'll just get stuck here, fine, then cut me off.
Jerry, but step on it.
Flex toning ping. Uh-oh.
Betsy, hi, you don't need that wheel now.
It's already been sold back.
I'm sorry.
So you came there by bike?
Yeah, so I didn't do that anymore by then.
I have to. Okay, first inside to inside. Well, leave it off.
Okay.
It's like,
Well, leave me alone.
we probably need to get out at something like this.
Verhelies Fenny deviates from 0 in the front, back, bottom, and top -7. Even the spare tire deviates, it should be 0.
It will help a lot.
If it extends further, that's fine, so let's make a control arm. Thanks.
Problem. During quality control, I see here that a little bit of glassing was missed.
So Gita will take it.
He told her to do it.
Gita will do it.
Even the spare tire is different. That's fine.
This has to be done.
Later. Later? A team-focused meeting, then the body paint is removed.
He'll gas you, he'll gas you.
He'll gas you, he'll gas you, he'll gas you, he'll gas you, he'll gas you.
He'll gas you. Of course, you can't see that the rose part has been removed from it. I mean, you only break it in front of the glasses when it's already set up. Damn it, or I'll knock it down. Christmas conversations on Wednesday evening. He comes up, he changes. Did you notice? Are you watching here?
Very good.
So let this be the goal.
Oh,
He says, oh, he's going with his pants half down.
Then a little bit further ahead.
Let's close the code again, Josef.
How do you get out? What do you hold on to? Leave me alone. I'm pissed off and losing it.
There's going to be trouble because of this cat's case.
I'm a daredevil. Yes, Axis.
The white Nike Elianzen jacket. I'm small.
It's not good because we're blowing on my head.
you said it because...
Wait, this is good.
You're a night tooth.
The age is a night.
The age is a night.
These idiots are painters. Car.
So you spray paint on their heads and that's it, you leave it. Second layer.
Second layer, what are you talking about?
This paint washes out of clothes but not off metal.
You spray a little on their heads. Spray, spray.
You spray a little on their heads.
Taratsuni, have you ever hallucinated? Is that the problem?
I'm scared to ask. What did you do, Karatsuni?
If you don't smell toast, there's nothing to worry about.
I smell burnt fat.
I smell a scent.
Only Petty was there, and he didn't want to blow it into his mouth.
Nobody asked me what was happening. You just took it and blew it in my face. I tried to hold it together and pass it on, but you blew it anyway.
Then we'll fix it with black paint.
And your nose, it's all blue and spotted. Seriously? Stop. Seriously, like this. He punches everyone in the face for an X amount. Well,
Show yourself well. You can't see it on camera, but you don't trust.
By the way, you're back!
it's rough.